Hello everyone, this is a part 9 video on fraction series. In my previous video, I have already covered basics of fractions and decimal and operations on fractions. Here in this video, we are going to learn what is percent and relation among fraction, decimal and percent. Now what is percent? A special type of fraction which has value over 100 is known as percent. So here I have taken 1 over 100 is equivalent to percent. So where 100 is also known as cent and bar is known as bar. Together they make percent and the symbol of percent is this. So if we are given with the fraction 87 over 100, we can convert this fraction into the percent directly, which is 87%. If we are given 63 over 100, we can convert it 63%. So if 100 is given in the denominator, we can write that fraction into the percentage directly. What if 100 is not given in the denominator? How we convert that? The next is fraction, equivalent fraction and percent form. So here I have taken one figure which is equally divided into 4 parts and one part is shaded. How we can write fraction form for this given figure? So one part is shaded over 4, so 1 over 4. How we can convert this fraction into equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. So 1 over 4, what number we will multiply with the 4? So we will get 100, so we will multiply 25. If we are multiplying 25 in the denominator, we have to multiply 25 in the numerator as well. This is a rule for making the equivalent fraction. So the answer is 25 over 100. Now we have got the special kind of fraction which has denominator 100. So how we can convert this fraction into percent form? So 25 over 100 we can write in a percent form is 25%. So here we will see one more example. I have taken one rectangle which is equally divided into 4 parts and 3 parts are shaded. So how we can write the fraction form for this? 3 over 4. Now how we can convert this 3 over 4 into the equivalent fraction with denominator 100. So 3 over 4. Now this 4 is multiplied by 25. So we will multiply 25 in the numerator as well. So 75 over 100. Now we have got our special fraction with the denominator 100. So how we can write the percentage of it? 75%. Now next we will see conversion from fraction form to percent. So here we are given with one fraction which is 3 over 5. So how we can convert this fraction into the percent? So for that we will make the denominator as 100. So 5 times 20 will give you 100. So we have to multiply 20 in the numerator as well. So 60 over 100. So we can write 60%. Now next is 3 over 2. So what number we will multiply into? So it will give us 100, so 50. So we will multiply 50 in the numerator as well. So 50 times 3 is 150 over 100. So the percent of it is 150%. So far we have seen how to convert a fraction into percent. Now we will see how to convert a decimal into percent. But before that we will do some calculation. So if I'll take one number 1 and I multiply and divide this number with the same number, for example 100 times and 100 over. So that will not change any value. Now we know 1 times 100 times 1 over 100. Also I can rewrite this 100 in the form of this 1 over 100. Now 1 over 100 we know it's a percent. So 1 times 100 and this I will write as percent. And 100 times 1 is 100. So 100%. So any number if it is multiplied by 100%, will not change any value. So here 0.5, if I will multiply 0.5 times 100 over 100, will not make any difference in the value of 0.5. Now 0.5 times 100 times 1 over 100. Now we know 1 over 100 is what? Percent, and 100 times 0.5 will give you 50%. Also we can do this question directly. 0.5 times 100%. So 100 times 0.5 will give you 50, and this is percent. This is the second method and this is the first method, and both are correct. Now 0.75. So 0.75 times 100 over 100. Now this 0.75 times 100 will give you 75, and 1 over 100 will give you percent. So here we will see conversion from one form to other form. If the question is given one form, we can write into the other two forms. For example, the first one is given in the fraction form. We can write the decimal and the percent form for this. So how we can write? This is directly given with the denominator as 10. So decimal for this is 0.7, and percent. So for that we will multiply 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So that is 70 over 100, which is 70%. Now here it is given as 45%. So how we can write the fraction for this? 45 over 100. And how we can write the decimal for it? 0.45. This conversion, fraction to decimal conversion, I have already covered in my separate video. Please go and check. I will share the link in the description box. Now decimal is given. How we can write the fraction for it? 67 over 100, because after decimal there are two digits. So here we will write 100, and 0.67 multiplied by 100 will give you 100%, will give you 67%. So this is how we can convert one form to other form. Now time to do practice problem. So here I have taken few problems. Convert the following into percent. Pause the video and do it on your own. Then check the answers. Now time to check the answers. Check your answer if you have done it correctly. Otherwise go through the video again. Thank you.